Hello friends, welcome to Dreamweaver Crocheting with Love. In today's tutorial, we are going to learn how to crochet a quick and easy star flower. Now these petals are done using the basic stitches of crochet like chain stitches followed by single crochet, half double crochet and treble crochet stitches. It's a very easy flower and in order to make it more attractive, I have sewed a button in the center of the flower. Now let's see how this is done. For this, the materials required are a 3 mm crochet hook, any yarn. I have taken a cotton yarn over here, a thread and a needle, a button to sew in the center of the flower. So let's begin. First, I'll be making a magic circle. Inside this magic circle, I'll be working 5 single crochets. Once this is done, I need to pull the tail of the magic circle and close the magic circle like this. Now I need to slip stitch into the first single crochet worked. Just go on to the top of the first single crochet and work a slip stitch. Now the next step would be to make the petals. For this I need to chain 10. After working 10 chains, I will be skipping the first 2 chains and working a single crochet into the third chain. Followed by 1 half double crochet into the next chain, 1 double crochet into the next. Now I need to make 2 treble crochets into next 2 chains. This will be my first treble crochet. Again into the next chain, I will be making 1 more treble crochet. Again I will be working the pattern in the reverse way. That is, in the next 3 chains, I will be following the sequence of 1 double crochet, 1 half double crochet into the next and 1 single crochet into the last chain. So that completes my petal. Now I'll be slip stitching into the same place where I started my 10 chains. So this is how the petal is worked out. I hope the sequence is very clear to you. Initially you have to make 10 chains and then skip the first 2 chains, and the sequence will be 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, 1 double crochet followed by 2 treble crochet into next 2 chains, again 1 double crochet, 1 half double crochet, 1 single crochet, and finally you need to slip stitch into the same place where you started with your 10 chains. Now in order to make the next petal, I will be slip stitching into the next single crochet and you have to repeat the pattern, that is working 10 chains and you have to continue the sequence in the same way as I had explained before. So you just repeat it. Now since I had done 5 single crochets initially, so the number of petals that I will be getting is 5. So that's how you get this star kind of shape. So just complete with your 5 petals. Now here I am done with my last petal of the star flower. I have slip stitch into the first single crochet. I shall cut the yarn. Now I'll just put tie knots with the tail of the magic circle in order to secure the yarns. Cut off the extra yarns. Once this is done, we will sew this button or a bead to the center of the flower using a thread and a needle. Just place it to the center of this flower like this and stitch it. Just go like this 3 to 4 times so that it holds firmly to the flower. This is done. On the back part of the flower, tie knots and cut the excess yarn. So that completes your star flower. I hope this tutorial was very useful for you. If you have any queries, please let me know through comments. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.